Ahead of the start of the MXGP season in Argentina, we have Lucas Coenen on a statement about his injury, which if you didn't see, well, I guess the rumors varied depending on broken arms to fractures in his wrist. And that picture right there, wearing arm coverings, which is kind of a very strange thing when you consider like arm coverings, gloves, that's not exactly a normal thing. Obviously, it's not a being cold because he's wearing shorts. So strange. I don't know. But he did have the quote on his injury saying, I mean, I just had a little crash, but we're looking forward. We are going to try our best and we will see. So, no, nothing big. We're just going to try and we'll see how it is. And asked on if he was having surgery, he says, no, we're all okay. All on point. Yes. So, who knows? I mean, obviously, like I said, the rumor mill was there was a problem with the bike, something with the ECU, and that's what caused him to crash, breaking both arms. And then a couple days ago, something came out that the injuries were to his wrists. So who knows? Obviously, this is his debut season on the 450, moving up from last year. And you never want to come into your first season on the 450 on an MXGP track, injured, especially nothing to do with your arms, wrist. I mean, injuries in general, never going to be a fun thing. But if you're injured your wrist or injured your arms, every single landing, every single jump, shift, twisting the throttle, braking, it's all going to hurt because all of that force is going to be coming straight through your arms. Obviously, very hard suspensions. I'm assuming not as hard as a supercross suspension, but still not exactly what you would get on a consumer bike you go buy from your dealership. And we'll see how it goes. I mean, obviously, the 450 class, the best in the world at motocross, and it's going to be a challenge. Moving up in general, your rookie year is never going to be an easy thing. So, have to see where he falls in this. I mean, it's going to be a rough day and it's going to be a rough season if he is hurt. If he can salvage some points, make it through these two motos, the full weekend, salvage some points, have a good showing, and gradually heal, then maybe it'll be fine. If he crashes and hurts himself worse because he has, some sort of pain or less grip strength than he should and doesn't, you know, some sort of crash happens because of it, well, obviously that's going to be a very big negative. But I don't know. I'm excited for this. Obviously, I like dirt bike racing in general, motorcycle racing in general. MXGP is a very different world than what we have over here. Different tracks, different styles of track in every country. The whole global aspect of it. You're going around the world. You're not just racing in one country for a whole series. And with that also includes a lot of travel, and we'll see where he falls. I mean, I'm excited for this. All right, we got Supercross going. We've got MXGP coming in, World Superbike, MotoGP. Everybody's back. All the racing series are going on right now. It's the best time of year to be around. But this is what I'm going to ask you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Is he injured worse than he's saying, and he's just trying to, I don't know, play it off and act like he's not as hurt as he is? Is he really not as bad as it sounds, and the rumor mill was just going 100 miles an hour like it normally does? And also, do you watch MXGP? Are you a motocross fan from that side of the pond? Are you only a fan from over here with our American motocross and supercross? Or do you watch multiples? Because obviously, I mean, there is tons of talented guys over there. Whether you think ours is the best or not, or theirs, whatever, you can't deny that there are massively talented people racing over there. But that's where I'm going to leave you. Comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.